My name's Luke and I come from a small town called Carnarvon in North Wales. I'm a chef by trade, but in my spare time I like to come up with weird and wonderful business ideas. This time, to keep me motivated, I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. So sit down, relax, and let's build a business together. So in this video we're going to do our third sauce, which is a curry based sauce. So the ingredients are 50 grams of the yellow dragon's breath chili mash. I'll put a link up above just so you can see how the mash is made. It's the chili mash that's left after doing the mint sauce. So at the start of that video you'll see how to make the mash. Then we've got 5 grams of garam masala, 2.5 grams each of garlic and ginger, and then we've got 20 millilitres of cider vinegar. Right, I'll set up the tripod and we'll get all the ingredients in the blender. Back in a bit. Okay, so let's get the ingredients in the blender. I've put this blender on a boil wash. That's the good thing about having a blender that heats stuff up, is it's self-cleaning, so and self-pasteurizing and sanitizing. So right, that's 50 grams of chili paste. I'll just grab myself a spoon so I can get all that mash out. When I'm making the sauces, I'm going to be using the peppers when they're yellow to make this sauce, when they're green to make the mint sauce, and obviously when they're red to make the chili sauce, the super hot Max N chili sauce. Right, that's the garlic and the ginger going in, and the vinegar, 20 ml of cider vinegar. We'll see after this doing this test sauce to see if we need to add some more vinegar in. And then there's 5 grams of garam masala. Now this should be a super hot curry sauce, so we're going to give it a little bit of a boil and a blend. I'll just blend it up a little bit first just to give it a little mix. Just need to break the garlic and the ginger down a little bit. Right, I'll put this on a boil and then I'll be right back. So I've given the curry a bit of a boil and a bit of a blitz, but I've had a little smell and I don't think it's got enough of a curry smell to it. So I'm going to change the recipe a little bit. I'm going to add about 10 grams of white sugar in there. And then 3 grams of curry powder, hot mix. And then another 20 ml of cider vinegar. Right, I'll give that a little bit of a boil again and a blitz, and then we'll bottle it up and have a little taste. so it's had a little bit of a boil. Yeah, it smells much better now, more like a curry. I'll just get this into a jug, then I'll put some in a bottle, and then I'll reset the tripod so we can have a little taste. I'll be right back. So there we go, I've bottled the curry sauce up, and now we're gonna have a little bit of a try with what's left. Right. Wow. Yeah, definitely tastes like a hot curry. Tastes quite like a fowl actually, with all these super hot peppers in it. Vinegar's coming out nice. Vinegar actually gives more heat to chilies. It gives you the impression that it's hotter than it is. Whew, and this is definitely hot. Right, that's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. Ta-da. If you liked the video, guys, please subscribe. We'll be giving away free prizes after we reach 1,000 subscribers. Please also like and comment. We like to know what you think of our videos. We'll see you on the next video.